Take 2 raw small size mango and 2 ripe large size mango. Peel the skin and cut it into small pieces. Now take mixer jar, add the pieces of mangoes and 5-6 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness of Maaza. Now make a paste. Now take a pan, add the puree and cook until the puree changed its color. Mix properly, otherwise the puree stick to the pan, and worse the taste, so continuously stir. When it changed its color, now add 1 glass of water to balance the puree consistency. So that it's easy to mix. Now add 1 liter of chilled water and also add ice cubes. Now mix properly. And your delicious homemade, only from 2 ingredients, Maaza is ready with no preservative. Enjoy and must try the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.